Parents worry about their children and hope that they don't become victims of bullying. Experts say programs are available to help schools in the aid against bullying, but the cost is a deterrent. Experts say the benefits and long-term effect, though, outweigh those costs. And Jackalyn Kovac is here tonight with more on that. Jackie?
Marty, studies show that about a third of students experience bullying in schools, and experts say that that behavior can have a long-term effect into adulthood. And that's why they say schools should invest in programs now to save the community money.
Bullying prevention is crime prevention.
Bullying, by definition, is unwanted aggressive behavior that is repeated multiple times. Shiryl Barto, the manager of the Center for Health Promotion and Disease Prevention at Windber Research Institute, says victims of bullying didn't do anything to put themselves in a bullying situation.
You know, there isn't a bullying epidemic. It hasn't suddenly gotten worse. It's been around forever, and I think there's been a greater awareness of bullying. And so people talk about it more.
Barto says schools can implement programs aimed at educating students on what bullying is and how it will be addressed, but says schools need to go a step further when dealing with a bully in the classroom.
I think that kids who are acting out aggressively should be given, skills to help them change their behavior in a situation. If a student was failing math, we wouldn't put them in detention.
Experts say students who are bullying are looking for attention, and administrators need to take the time to get to the root cause of the situation. But Barto says financial and human resources, in addition to time, make it hard for schools to implement comprehensive programs.
But there are certainly strategies that every school can take to help their students with bullying. And so if a school feels like they can't do an entire program, there are certainly measures that can be put in place.
Barto says a 25-year study done by a Norwegian doctor that created a commonly known prevention program found that students who were displaying a bullying behavior from middle school through high school without intervention had 4 or more convictions by the time they were 25. Barto says kids who are aggressive or express bullying behavior cost society more than targets or victims.
Because they access public health and public welfare systems more often, they're incarcerated. So it really is important for schools and for agencies and for society to pay attention to kids who are doing the bullying and not just the targets of bullying.
Barto suggests talking with your children to learn if they have any issues with bullying. For tools to help with that discussion, head over to our website, WJACTV.com. Reporting live, Jackalyn Kovac, 6 News.